So we are now on our lesson number 5, solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Kaya hindi tanan nga quadratic equations, masolve natin by factoring or by extracting the square roots. So gagamit kita sa another method, among siya ang completing the square. So magamit sa nga method, dapat gina-target natin nga makaproduce ang trinomial that is a perfect square. So mga maka-perfect square trinomials, ano ina sila? Sama din siya mga examples ng perfect square trinomials. So, the perfect square trinomials is the square of binomials. So, muna dapat ang ating gina-target sa ating nga equations. So, we have here two examples. So, example number 1, so we will solve x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so ano ito na himuon? So, we will apply the addition property of equality. So, dapat i-transpose o ibalin natin ang constant dito sa right side. So, x squared minus 4x so equals to positive 2. So ara na natin nga 2 sa piha. So proseso sinis ang completing the square, kinakuha naton ang 1/2 sa coefficient sa natin nga x. So and then square naton. So what is the 1/2 of negative 4? So the 1/2 of negative 4 is negative 2. Then square naton ina siya. So amo ini siya ang number nga idugang naton sa left side and sa right side at the equation. So, may arat na kita equation. So, dugang natin ang ari is 4. And then, sa piha, plus 4. So, we're going to simplify. So, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 6. So, this left side now is a square of binomial, a perfect square trinomial. So, pwede ito na siya dahil ma-convert into the square of binomial. So, we have x minus 2 squared equals to 6. And kuhaan natin ang square root para ma-eliminate ining 2. So, when square root come on the right, so we'll have the positive and negative square root of 6. So, ang mabilin is x minus 2 is equal to positive negative square root of 6. So, since ripadari ang aton nga negative 2, dapat ang mabilin dali sa left side is an x lang. So, ibalin pa rin siya sa iya. Or we will apply the addition property or subtraction property of equality. So, x is equals to 2 plus and minus square root of 6. So, may ara kita two solutions. So, either x is equals to 2 plus square root of 6 or x is equals to 2 minus square root of x. Okay, so this is for the example number 1. So, proceed kita, may diba kita ka-examples. Making prepare. So, solve the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals to 0 by completing the square. So, as you can notice, makita niyo nga ang atong x squared, atong mga terms, so pwede pa siya ma-simplify. So, we will divide both sides or ini siya by 2 para ma-eliminate natin. O, diba? So, ma-simplify natin siya. Okay, so x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals, so 0. So, pwede na natin dahil ma-apply ang completing the square. So, we'll apply the addition property of equality. So, we will just add 5 to both sides of the equations. So, x squared plus 4x. So, galin natin ang 5. Okay? So, pwede na siya diretso na lang. Ang isang unang ginagamit, transposing. But we will use the addition property of equality. And kuanta na ang 1/2 sa ating coefficients ng ating x. So, what is the 1/2 of our positive 4 is 2. And what is the square of 2? So, equals 4. So, we will add 4 to both sides of our equations. So, here. Okay. So, we have now x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 9. So, this one, on the left side, we have a trinomial or perfect square trinomial, which could be converted into a perfect or the square of binomial. Okay, so we will solve. So x squared plus 4x, we will just rewrite this. Okay, so x plus 2. This is the term for our trinomial, our square of binomial. So, plus 9. And that is the square root. So, x plus 2. So, isa kong tagay para mas intindihan ninyo. Positive negative square root of 9. So, makuha na siya Ang mamiliin is x plus 2. And what is the square root of 9? It's positive, negative 3. So, ang positive 2 na naman, so, ma-apply naman kita sa addition or subtraction property of equality. So, mabalik na siya sa 3 Okay. And we have our two solutions. So, isa-isahan natin. 3 minus 2, your 1. Your x is negative 3 minus 2. So, this will be your solution number 2. And let's simplify or like the subtraction. X is 1, your answer, and x is negative 5. So, you have your answer now. So, by completing the square, kung di natin siya kuha sa factoring and extracting the square roots, so we will apply the completing the square na process. Okay? This is amulang ini siya ang atong mga ating examples sa atong pag-solve sa quadratic equation by completing the square. So, our next lesson, para sa atong lesson number 6, ang atong quadratic equation by our, quadratic formula. Okay, see you. Goodbye.